Hi, my name is Steve. I live in Waco, Texas, the home of the Magnolia Empire, if you've heard of it. Chip and Joanna Gaines. Anyway, not that it has any influence here, but I will say that I have been watching and looking at the different ads for LeafFilter, mostly on Facebook, and decided to make an appointment to have a salesman come out and meet with me and my wife and talk about it and, ultimately get what the cost would be. Obviously, that's kind of the main thing with people on the budget. So the salesman was great. I think his name was Trevor. He came out, talked about it in length. We were very impressed with his presentation. And then he took some measurements and then gave us a final price. And it was something that was workable in our budget. So I tell you what, I think it's one of the best investments you can make if you're a homeowner. And the reason I say that is if any one of you that have gutters know the difficulty in cleaning them without any kind of protection over your gutters, know what I'm talking about. But I wanted to just give you a real brief overview of one side of an addition that we had done to the house here a couple of years ago, where the gutters are installed. And if you can see, here's one small section, and you can see all the particles from the roof, the leaves that are there on the end. I'm very impressed because none of that went into the gutter. This screen is very durable. I mean, I think it's going to last a lifetime, in my opinion. We've only had it a month or so, but Theresa and I have been very impressed with the outcome. We have them installed all the way around the house, and I can't say much enough about this product. It's amazing. So we're very thankful for the installation. So thank you.